Hello students, we are going to start acids and bases, right student? So if you talk about the acids and bases, the very first concept which comes in your mind student, that is Arrhenius theory. So let us have look over the acid and bases, the introductory part student. So chemical substances are classified by the Robert Boyle into three types, mainly acid, base and salt. Vinegar contains acetic acid, lemon and orange juice contains citric acid, and ascorbic acids and tartaric acid is found in the tamarind paste. The word acid has been derived from the Latin word that is acidus, meaning sour. H plus ion called proton, H3O plus ion is called hydronium ion or hydrated proton. What are the theory for the acids and bases are student? That is, first theory is Arrhenius theory. An acid is substance that gives hydrogen ion when dissolved in water. So acid are the substance when you are dissolving in water, it is giving the H plus ion. Like HCl, they have given student HCl. If you are dissolving in water, it will give that is H plus student plus plus that is Cl minus ion. If you talk about the acetic acid student, acetic acid, so this acetic acid is also capable to give that is what student ch3 c double o minus plus it will give H plus. So they are able to give the H plus ion in the water, so they are acids, right student? Next point, they are saying a base is substance that give hydroxyl ion when dissolved in water. So that is bases are giving the hydroxyl ion student. So how can you be able to understand that is the basis, how it is giving the hydroxyl ion student? Let us have a look over it student. So basis they are saying in the water it is giving that is OH minus ion. So that is if you are talking about NaOH plus H2O, it will give that is Na plus OH minus. So this, since it is giving the OH minus ion, so it will be what student? It will be base. Now let us have the neutralization reaction story. So if you talk about the neutralization reaction student, an acid react with a base to form a salt or and water is called the Arrhenius neutralization. What the point? An acid react with base to form salt and water is called the Arrhenius neutralization. For example, HCl and NaOH, it is reacting each other and forming the salt and water. So this is the example of the neutralization reaction. Now next point, they are saying Arrhenius theory could not explain the acidic nature of CO2, SO3, Cl2O, N2O5, etc. and basic nature of NH3, CaO, Na2O, MgO, etc. So that is, this is not giving H plus ion, this is also not having H plus ion, but still they are acidic. So it is not going to explain. And even this is not having the OH minus ion, so it will also not be basic. So how can you explain by the Arrhenius theory? So that is why this theory get failed student. A bare proton H plus is very reactive and cannot exist freely in aqueous solution. Thus it bond in the oxygen atom of the solvent water molecule to give the trigonal pyramidal hydronium ion, that is H3O plus or HH2O plus. Okay. In aqueous solution, the hydronium ion H3O plus is further hydrated to give species like H5O2 plus, H7O3 plus, and H9O4 plus. Similarly, hydroxyl ion OH minus ion is hydrated to give the several ionic species like that H3O2 minus, H5O3 minus, H7O4, etc. A base molecule like MOH ionized in aqueous solution according to the equation MOH equals solution M plus OH minus. The hydroxyl ion also exists in the hydrated form in the aqueous solution. The hydroxyl ion also exists in the hydrated form in the aqueous solution. So this is all about the Arrhenius theory student. Thank you so much for watching.